What's happening?
Tell you exactly what's happening.
Yesterday, he said he'd have a go a bit of filming himself because I was busy, so I gave him my GoPro. How did that go, bro?
Right, you know, well, to be fair, right, before you come at me on this, I thought I would do a bit more, you know, go that extra mile for you, you know. But a decent car, I thought I'd push the product to a better level.
A Nardo Audi A5, by the way.
Yeah, gorgeous though. Of course, you've got the reversing camera underneath right there. I love, because it's black edition, that black spoiler on there, that blue spoiler, makes all the difference. Yeah,
so how did that go?
An accident happened, we lost the GoPro, man down. This war go on all the time, you know, soldiers fall down, I can't even say that, can I?
Picture of the GoPro before I give it to him is not available, but you've seen it in other videos. Picture of the GoPro when he gave it back to me. Yeah, that's what that looks like now. But also, on the plus side, at least he broke his own mount as well. Picture of that.
Yeah, that's a proper GoPro mount as well, to be fair, right?
Oh yeah, that's not an aftermarket, that's a proper
I
GoPro
don't understand
mount.
how this happened, yeah? Because
you don't understand much,
I put it on the front, I had it inside all day, no problem. I put it on the bonnet, it was fine. On the roof, blasting up a dual at 70 mile an hour, it was fine. It was still there, you know, I did it so tight, nothing moved. I pop it on the back.
That's what they all say.
Yeah, put it on the back to do a couple of pops and bangs, even though it was a 2 litre petrol. I didn't pop and bang. In my head, I thought, you know what, it's a little bit of cinematic stuff to make you have a better video to edit. And I was thinking of you. It's just your fault it broke.
See, the worst thing about this is I had a quick look at the footage before we come out now. It's useless, it's unusable. He put the camera so high up on the boot, you can't even see the exhaust, you can't hear the exhaust. It's just wind noise. So in effect, he filmed a bit of wind noise and then fucking broke my GoPro.
I haven't even watched it. That's the funniest I'm looking forward to see it, the footage.
But there we are. I did say on my social media, video to follow about what happened. And this is the video telling me what happened. It's only a short one, but there we are. That's what happened.
You can see it as well if you haven't on the social media. It's coming up right now. This is how it played out in the day before I told him, because I popped it on Instagram stories
now,
before
I
he even knew about it.
I haven't seen most of that, I'll be honest. But all our footage.
Oh yeah, shit! I phoned you as well. I phoned you.
You did. You bloody rang me. You did. You dick.
I phoned you to tell you. I've got your reaction actually on that. But
is the phone call in this video or is that in the other video? I don't know. We'll find out if it is in this video. If it is in this video, right? Who knows where that footage is? It might be in this video. It might be in the other video. But if it is here, it'll be here now.
I've kind of got wind that Dan's not busy at the minute, so we're gonna give him a call now, right? We're gonna see what he's got to say about the situation. This is literally just breaking into it for the first time now. Done filming today. Yo, I'm proud of myself for doing all this on my own today. Granted, he's good at it and put us together. I'm kind of proud of it. Go. See if he answers. What's happening? Yo, what go on?
You're a bit distant. You're on hands-free, I'm guessing, you?
Yeah. What's going on? How's your day been? All right?
Oh, ups and downs, you know. What can I do you for?
Oh, I've had a bit of an accident today.
Have you fucking broken your brain?
What brain?
Exactly.
What brain?
Now, what fucking accident? You haven't crashed that fucking car now, have you?
No. But I was having a good day. I was pushing the boundaries out. I've been out getting cinematics. I got wet feet as well from getting some waves and all that. That's right. I've been watching you long enough. I thought I'd get some shit done. So done a bit of hoons, strapped the GoPro to the front of the car, done some driving with that, lovely. Put it on the roof, went up the dual, done that, lovely. Then I popped it on the back of the car, drove, tried to get a few pops, even though it's only a 2 litre, it doesn't really pop. But I thought I gave some exhaust notes, and the mount has come flying off the car. Yeah, the mount's broke, so I need to buy a new one of those.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
The little one or the big one? The proper one or the cheap one?
The GoPro one, the actual one.
Oh, the money one, right? Okay.
Yeah, that's broke through, and the GoPro kind of took a bit of a tumble as well. Now it's in a case, which is good, but it looks like it just screened down, if you know what I mean. I've gone through the screen, I've cracked the screen.
You've cracked the fucking screen.
Cracked, well, not just cracked, smashed it.
Are we talking my GoPro or your GoPro?
Who's got the black 7?
I got a fucking black 7. Have I got a broken black 7?
You've got a broken black 7. I think it's just the screen though, so I can, you know, I can.
When you said the screen, do you mean the touch screen on the back that you fucking control everything from?
Nah, just the whole, you know, the front of it, where the lens cover is, like.
The fucking lens cover, like we welded through before.
Like we welded through, yeah. I think it's come off a car about 30 or 40, but it was still recording when I picked it up, so it should have some good footage.
Jesus Christ.
There we go. But there we are. YouTube. I've been, you know, Dan's been on the phone. Dan, I've been recording you. 1 3 reactions. What's happening?
Jesus Christ almighty, innit? Fuck me, man. I tell you what, you know, I saw you this morning. How you can fuck things up in such a short space of time is beyond me, innit? But, you know, you say you've been paying attention to me. You haven't been paying how much attention? I haven't done that.
There we go. But there we are. Say bye to YouTube, because I can end the video now and let you have all the footage. Something together, man. Wanted to break.
Thank you for that.
But there we go.
Right, you crack on with your shit now and I'll fucking speak to you after, like.
There we are. Right, hit like, subscribe, all that. Tell them goodbye.
I subscribe it, Jordan, it, like. All the best. Ta-da, boosh.
Till next time, boosh.
That's right, you don't have to wait in real time. It's the miracle of non-linear editing,
But there we go, it's alright, you know, it's at the hospital ward at the minute, it's bandaged up. I've now got to buy a new mount and I've got to buy a new screen for your GoPro. Worst things happened, if all that happened for me being left alone to do stuff on my own for the day, I'm going to take it, right? We're good, we're safe.
Right, we've been marked as safe, so I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. More stuff is coming, unless this Renault Master, oh no, it's a Fiat Ducato, I believe, drives into me. What do they say? Jump in the Benz, innit? Let's jump in the Merc.
Jump in the Merc. So until next time, we done. Thank you very much. Hit like, subscribe, share it, everywhere. It's free. Boosh, bang, done, boosh.